Samsung is preparing for the debut of its newest flagship, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and early signs suggest interesting features. The emphasis is on eye advancements and new camera capabilities, and while the core specifications, including the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, remain largely similar to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, there are notable improvements. Expectations include a 5000 mAh battery with RAM options of 8 GB or 12 GB based on storage capacity. The display is a 6.8-inch 3088 extension 1440 AMOLED screen with a 144 Hz refresh rate, up from 120 Hz on its predecessor. For note-taking and sketching, the Ultra model continues to feature the S Pen. Although the camera retains the 200-megapixel primary sensor and 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor from the S23 Ultra, the 10x zoom camera is said to be replaced with a 5x zoom. A greater sensor resolution of 50 megapixels, on the other hand, is projected to improve overall picture quality, perhaps compensating via intelligent pixel binning. Built-in artificial intelligence is a key innovation with prospective uses such as real-time language translation during conversations and text compression. Rumors suggest that these AI features may be behind a paywall, and satellite communications have been verified for Galaxy devices, including the S24 Ultra. This feature, which allows SMS texts and low-resolution picture transfer in locations lacking cellular service, might be useful in an emergency. Despite worries about the reduced zoom specifications, the S24 Ultra seems to be a significant improvement, particularly with the addition of AI features. As the successor of the highly rated S23 Ultra, a few well-thought-out upgrades might earn it rave reviews. The expected January announcement promises further information about Samsung's upcoming flagship offering. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.